Okay. What's up YouTube? It's Top Songo. Today we are going to another camping. This time we are going to Ventura River RV Park. That is location in Eddyville, Kentucky. And then I want to show you guys that Ashley is without cassette. Look at Isha. Say hi.
Hi.
Say something. Are you happy for that? You don't have a cassette anymore, baby? Yeah?
Now leave me alone. Play my game.
Let's go. Let's go. Ventura River Water Park at RV Park. We are here this year. 하나, 둘.
Hi. Hey, stop shining the flashlight in my eyes. Come on, boo. Let's exercise. Exercise.
Did you see lightning?
Yeah, I saw lightning. Yogi, can you? Yogi. I think Yogi has.
Oh, my baby. My yogi. This is you, baby. Can you see? Today, this morning, we are going to eat this frozen sandwich for breakfast. We have to eat quickly and everybody going to water park. We are here, Ventura River RV Park is next to the water park. So right there, water park right there. That's why we're camping here for Ashley's birthday. cooking 갈비. SPG, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Today my husband is cooking. He needs cooking. Every time when we go camping, why me only? This person cooking. Ah, my goodness, hungry. Super tired. Wow. I'm cooking breakfast with the air fryer. My neighbor friend, she gave it to me this thing, the little panty. I don't know, I have to look it out the name again. Yep, she said her and her husband, they don't like it. So she gave it to me. Maybe you guys like it. Try it before. So we tried it at home. And my husband actually, he likes it. He says, this is pretty good. So the another box I still have, so that box I'm gonna finish it today. Yep, this one. Fillet mignon pastry bite. So it is a kind of a little bit small stuff thing. I will show you. So hot today. Today to 94 degrees. I cannot wait to go into play water at the water park. So hot. It's actually windy there. It's not too bad at all. Bye bye, have fun. Go, okay, get in the car. Double check it. Your drink, ice tea, wallet, earphone, phone, your fishing thingy, your sunglasses. Oh, you want this one or the one?
I have fishing glasses.
Okay. Oh. He's going to fish.
Kayak fishing again.
Oh, kayak fishing.
Different boat.
Different boat. Is that new one? Oh, they don't have that one before. Hey, what are you doing, baby? Stop. We are eating breakfast here. Ashley eating her birthday cake. She wants to finish it. Today checkout day. Here checkout time is 2 p.m. So we still have enough time. We're gonna slowly eat, get ready, and then hanging out outside. And then we are going home. Today is Thursday. We stayed here, the Ventura River RV Park, Monday to Thursday. So 3 nights, 4 days. We had so much fun. So much fun at water park, right? Is that so much fun with the water park? Okay, one minute. She's busy to watch it. Almost 12:32. We're almost done. Clean up and cook. Get ready. It's hot, but not too hot because today we're gonna have the rain. So I think temperature 83 something. It's actually not too bad, but sweating already. So hot. Whew. Yep, here is the thing, important. Always folding your side mirror. Just in case when you're driving, you don't want other car hitting you or your side mirror hitting someone's car. Okay, fold it, put away. Very important. Bye bye. See you next time. Leave Ventura leave up walk or RV park and they're over there water park. We are going home. We are almost home. Hey, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.
Hola.
Speak Korean.
No.
안녕. Gracias. Hola.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.